Hey everyone, how are you? It's a little dark here. Turn on the light. So I'm sick today. I don't feel good. Uh, like my husband said, I was just like, okay. And then all of a sudden, the next morning that I woke up, I get this really bad, like, sore throat and constantly coughing. And today's my second day. So I really haven't been eating. I've just been kind of like eating, corn chips from Dollar Tree, those big corn chips and everything. So I feel kind of under the weather, but I just, wanted to make a little video and see what you guys were doing. It's really pretty today outside, but like I said, I'm just not feeling that good. So I'm just going to be in bed and it's not a mukbang. Salute. What am I drinking? Of course, cherry Nyquil. Water with grapes. So nasty. And then what I do is I add a little bit of water again to the NyQuil because I want to make sure I get everything. And there. So yeah, I'm just not feeling too good. But anyways, I hope everybody's having a nice day. And as you can hear, the birds are out chirping. Beautiful. I'm going to probably just be home. I already took a shower early this morning, super early. And probably just, stay in bed, relax, and watch videos on YouTube. I want to give a shout out to Love Shell. She's cool. I like you, Love Shell. Love all your food. Mukbang. But yeah. So I'm like, you could tell, I'm just kind of like. But anyways, I just wanted to make a little video and hope everyone's doing good in this beautiful month of May. And let me know what you guys do when you're sick. I have Vicks Vaporub, I have NyQuil, and that's about it. Just basically rest, sleep, and get better. Anyways, hope everybody's having a beautiful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.